A hyper-realistic 3D cinematic anatomical scene of a human standing against a pure green background. The outer skin looks natural, but the internal organs, brain, lungs, heart, stomach, and intestines are fully visible through a transparent anatomical reveal. The person holds a fresh apricot close to the mouth, with all organs glowing in detailed medical realism. A detailed 3D medical close-up of the stomach against a solid green background, showing chewed apricot traveling down the esophagus and entering the stomach. The gastric folds, textures, and digestive fluids appear highly realistic. An ultra-detailed, microscopic 3D rendering of the intestines absorbing nutrients from apricot, villi, and microvilli are magnified, showing glowing particles of vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants entering tiny blood vessels and spreading into the bloodstream. A full-body, anatomical 3D visualization showing organs and muscles illuminated with energy as nutrients from apricot move through the body. Arteries, muscles, and organs glow with enhanced vitality. A 3D anatomical brain seen on a pure green background, with glowing neurons and highly active synapses. Nutrients from apricot send bright pulses of energy through neural pathways. A muscular anatomical figure with transparent skin, showing muscle fibers absorbing nutrients from apricot. Glowing nutrient streams travel through arteries into the muscle tissue with cinematic clarity. A close-up 3D rendering of the intestines, showing a vibrant, glowing microbiome nourished by apricot fiber. Beneficial bacteria appear bright, healthy, and active. A human silhouette radiating bright internal light as nutrients from apricot swirl through the bloodstream like glowing particles. Organs faintly illuminate with an energized effect. A 3D anatomical stomach showing redness and inflammation, representing possible irritation caused by apricot acidity or sensitivity. Tissue appears swollen with realistic medical texture. A transparent skin anatomical figure showing red, irritated skin patches that represent a potential allergic reaction to apricot. Dermal layers beneath reveal histamine-like inflammation. A microscopic 3D view inside the bloodstream showing a surge of glowing glucose particles after consuming apricot. Blood cells float among dense clusters of bright sugar molecules. A dimly lit 3D anatomical human figure with weak cellular glow and slow nutrient movement, representing fatigue or low energy after consuming apricot. A slow cinematic Dalian toward a human figure with exposed internal organs holding an apricot near the mouth. Soft rim lighting highlights each organ as the hand lifts the apricot, all on a solid green background. A downward camera movement through a translucent esophagus into the stomach as chewed apricot enters and mixes with digestive fluids. Rendered with clean medical lighting and a pure green backdrop. A microscopic tracking shot following glowing nutrient particles from apricot as they travel along intestinal villi and enter the bloodstream. With the camera gliding through a microscopic landscape, a rotating cinematic shot around a full anatomical body as nutrients from apricot activate organs and muscles, sending pulses of energy through glowing vessels. A dive into the brain showing firing neurons as antioxidants from apricot intensify synaptic activity, illuminating neural circuits with bright pulses. A side-to-side pan across muscular anatomy showing nutrient particles from apricot entering and energizing muscle fibers in detailed, glowing motion. A smooth camera glide along the intestinal wall showing beneficial bacteria, lighting up and multiplying when apricot fiber reaches them. A slow zoom out from the heart as waves of bright energy move through the entire body, illuminating organs and muscles with apricot-powered vitality. A close-up camera push into the stomach lining, showing irritation and subtle swelling caused by apricot sensitivity. Rendered in detailed medical realism. A rotating shot around the anatomical figure, showing red, irritated skin patches. Microscopic insert shots reveal histamine-like reactions beneath the skin. A cinematic journey through a blood vessel, showing glowing glucose particles rapidly increasing after eating apricot. Rushing past the camera in a bright surge, a downward slow pan across a dim anatomical figure with weak cellular lighting and sluggish nutrient flow. depicting low energy or fatigue after consuming apricot. For more videos, visit the channel.